Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and use CVS Health digital thermometer. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For that matter, the first step would be for you to access your manuals plus on your website. So here in the manual plus, you will be able to get the manual for your thermometer. So for that, come over here and go to search bar and simply type in CVS thermometer instructions or CVS digital thermometer. Now once you have got your manual for it, all you have to do is tap on the search result, and now here in this section you can find this kind of interface, right? So if you scroll down, you will be able to see the contents. If you have any problem with any of the particular content, you can actually tap on this one, and for example, the precautions, specification, process description, anything, you can tap on the article and you will be able to read it out and have your solution. Other than that, if you simply would want to know how to use, all you have to do is, first of all, you can go ahead, check out the instruction for use. You have to make sure that the batteries are installed and make sure the polarity is correct. So over here you will be able to find all the instructions for you to use, and if you got any problem, you can again go through the contents on top and check on it. So that is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.